Hi dolls. So New Year's Eve is literally Monday. 2018 has been pretty decent. I'm not mad at it. So I'm happy to say goodbye and welcome 2019. And since New Year's Eve is coming, a lot of people have been asking me to do a tutorial on how to apply false lashes. Now, I wear lashes every day. I feel that lashes complete your look. They lift the face, they open the eye, they do everything. So as you can see, my face is beat, eyes are done, brows, lips, everything. So we just need our finishing touches. So for today's tutorial, we're using Lily Lashes in So Extra Mykonos. So Mykonos is one of her most popular styles. I've worn that one. That's almost become like an everyday lash for me. This is the 2.0 version. So these are even fluffier, even thicker. And of course, I'm going to use Lily Lashes. It has my name on it. Then I have my lash glue. This is from my glue thing from Iris Beauty. This glue is vegan and it's great for sensitive eyes. And I have my little lash tongs and my lash scissors. Now, we need to stop with the tweezers. In 2019, we need to stop with the tweezers because tweezers are sharp and pointy and that should not go near your eye. These are nice and round and safe for applying your strip. And it also has this little edge where you can just press down the lash and it's safer. So I would say invest in these. The scissors and the tongs are from Lily Lashes as well. So we're just gonna get started. So when you have your lashes, you have this beautiful strip right here. And sometimes it'll be a little bit longer than your actual eyelid. So before you even put the glue or do anything, just see how long it is. Like sometimes I'll cut my lash, sometimes I won't, depending on how I feel or if I want them to be a little bit more flat out or a little bit more in line with my look. But these we're gonna trim. So let's do like, you can actually, this is a good time to use your tongs. And you can kind of just see how they look. They're a little too long for me. So we're just gonna trim from the outside in. And you don't have to trim a lot. You're literally just gonna trim a little bit at a time. Just like a little bit. Just like a few hairs. And keep in mind, as you get more and more comfortable with wearing lashes, you'll know how much you want to trim. You'll be able to eyeball it. Okay, I think that should be just enough. But I might take off just a teeny bit more because these lashes are fire and I want them to be perfect. Alrighty, so now that we have our lash trimmed, we're gonna put our glue and we're just gonna brush it on. I just brush it on a thin layer and put a little teeny bit extra on the ends. And you really have to let your lashes sit with the glue. The key is to let it be almost dry and a little bit tacky, and then you'll be able to just stick them right on with no problems. Actually, Lily Glichi makes a little lash stand that you can put your lashes on while the glue is drying. I love that. And I actually usually put my glue on my lashes and then do my liner and my blush and anything else. And then by the time I finish all that, my lashes are ready to go. Okay, I'm just trimming a little bit more. I'd love for you guys to leave me comments about what you're doing for New Year's Eve, because I love celebrating New Year's Eve. I mean, any holiday that's about champagne and dressing up, like, why can't we do that like on a bi-monthly basis? Just saying. Here we go. And now we're gonna let this glue dry. And again, you can just leave it to let it dry. You can put it down. I actually put them back in the little box, just like this. and let it dry. And when this glue turns white, it goes on a little bit blue, and then when it turns white, that's usually when it's dry or like almost disappears. It's amazing. I'm like, yes. So it dries fairly quickly. And Mykonos is a lash. This can work for lots of different eye shapes. I have more of an almond shaped eye, so I usually wear Rome from Lily Lashes. I wear Carmel, but this is the type of lash, Mykonos, that basically any eye shape can wear. So you'll be fine. And just for the sake of this video, I'm fanning. Oh, and if you guys want a full tutorial of this look, let me know. I'd be happy to do a get ready with me and talk about some of the products that I'm wearing, like this highlight though. That's the Becca, Chloe and Malika collab. Okay, so now we're gonna take our lashes. We're gonna grab them in the middle. Now, normally you would have your mirror in front of you, but since I'm doing a tutorial, I'm literally looking into the camera and doing this. That's like because I'm an old pro at this. And you just plunk it on the lash line. Then you're gonna look and just tuck in the end, just like that. You can even use your tool here. There you go. And there you go. Done. It takes 3 seconds. It's so, once you start practicing, it's so easy. Now, we're just gonna plunk this down right on the lash line. See? You can even leave it there so you can see. Like you would plunk it down like you're taking a mascara wand and going in to apply product. Boom. Right where you would put your product, you put your lash. Now, we just tuck it in. Just tuck it in. Oh my god, these look like fire. And so that's it. I'm ready to go. We gotta take the hair down now. Take the hair down. These are the lashes. Lips are done, and that's it. Just wanted to show you guys how easy it is. Again, if you want a more in-depth tutorial about lashes, if you want a whole get ready with me with this, just leave a comment on my Instagram, leave a comment on this video. Have a happy Saturday night. Bye.